हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी वार्म वेलकम अगेन। स्वागत है आप सभी का आज के इस सीरीज नंबर 5 में, जो कि कंटिन्यूएशन सीरीज है। टॉप 1000 मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन PYP SSC रेलवे वनडे एग्जाम्स। यह सीरीज मैंने पहले टॉप 1000 का शुरू किया था, जिसका की 4 पार्ट प्लेलिस्ट में अपलोडेड है। आप लोग उसको चेक करें। और यह सीरीज नंबर 5, जिसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे 200 प्लस क्वेश्चन। इसमें अप्रॉक्स 150 क्वेश्चन कंप्यूटर्स के हैं और 50 क्वेश्चन स्टैटिक्स पोर्शन के, जो कि प्रीवियसली काफ़ी बार पूछे गए, मोस्ट रिपीटेड है। और यह सेशन जिन एग्ज़ाम में कंप्यूटर्स पूछा जाता है उसके लिए काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है, जैसे कि आपका UP SSC, IBPS, RRB, SSC, CSHL, CGL। हम लोग शुरू करते हैं अपना फर्स्ट पार्ट इसका 150 क्वेश्चन का, जो कि कंप्यूटर से है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज AIX and of which company it is? Answer is AIX is an open operating system and it is of IBM. Next, in which year was Google incorporated as a private company? Google was incorporated in September 4, 1998, and its founder are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन, ये SSC में अप्रॉक्स 10 टाइम्स पूछे जा चुके हैं। नेक्स्ट, a reason of computer memory where frequently accessed data can be stored for rapid access is called cache. Reason of computer memory where frequently accessed data can be stored is cache memory. Next, in computer terminology, what is the full form of RAM? RAM is random access memory. And where it is found? It is found in servers, PCs, tablets, smartphones, and other devices such as printers. Next, in the world of computer, what is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is an open source operating system, Linux operating system. And what does the word Ubuntu mean? Ubuntu is an African word which literally means humanity to others. Next, what is pivot table feature of the following software? Pivot table is a feature of Microsoft Excel. Next, which of the following is not one of the tools of robotics process automation? Options are number A, Blue Prism, B, UiPath, C, Automation Anywhere, D, Power Center, and answer is Power Center. Power Center is not a tool of RPA and others are popular tools for RPA. Next, a database used by Microsoft Windows for storing configuration information is known as a registry. Next, who among the following invented the computer language COBOL? COBOL was invented by Grace Murray Hopper. Inventor of COBOL, Grace Murray Hopper. Next, second generation computers can be characterized largely by the use of transistors. It can be characterized largely by the use of transistors. Next, who among the following pioneered binary logic and arithmetic in computer programming? Answer is option number D, Claude Shannon. He is not only pioneered binary logic and arithmetic, but he also invented a whole new subject area, information theory, and still had a time to have fun with computer chess and Thesos, the amazing maze running relay mouse. Next question. Desktop computers, laptop computers, tablet and smartphones are different type of microcomputer. Smartphones is also a computer. Next, what is the smallest unit of data in computer? Bit. Bit is the smallest unit of data in computer. Let's see the numerical value. 8-bit equal 1 byte. 1024 byte is equal 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte is equal 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is equal gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is equal 1 terabyte. Next, in computing, DAS is a network security system that monitors and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined. Answer is firewall. Firewall controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Next question. Who among the following invented the World Wide Web WWW in 1989? Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web in 1989. Next, which of the following is not an antivirus software? Option is A. Avast, B. Linux, C. Norton, D. Kaspersky. Answer is option number B, Linux. Linux is not an antivirus software. It is an open source operating software, and rest all are antivirus software for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. Next, which of the following is a supercomputer developed by India? Answer is option number A, Param Yuva 2 is a supercomputer developed by India. It has a memory of 14144 GB and is one of the oldest supercomputers of India. Next, in the context of digital computer, which of the following pairs of digits is referred to as binary code? Answer is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is referred as binary code. Next, in the field of information and communication technology, what is the full form of FDD? FDD is a floppy disk drive. It is a type of disk storage. Next, in the context of digital computer, which of the following pairs of digits is referred to as binary code? Answer is 0 and 1. Next, what is RODO? Road EO. Answer is option number D, a robot that helps maintain traffic. And what is it? It is a competitive driving event for motor vehicle drivers. Next, which shortcut key is used for previewing the page before printing? Answer is option number C, Control plus F2. By pressing it, we can check the preview before printing. Next, who designed the first analog computer in India? Answer is Samrendra Kumar Mitra designed first analog computer in India. He was an Indian scientist and mathematician. He designed India's first computer in 1956 at Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. Next, which of the following is not an e-commerce website? Options are option number A, Uber, B, Swiggy, C, Flipkart, D, Google Maps. Very easy. Number A, Uber, is a ride taking app, taxi app. Option number B, Swiggy, it is an food ordering app. Option number C, Flipkart. Flipkart is product purchasing app. And option number D, Google Map. Google Map, answer will be Google Map, because all rest three options are on which we do commerce like activity, we sell, purchase something. And option number D, it helps us users to find our way. So option is number D is Google Map, our answer. Next, the first barcode system was developed by Norman Joseph Woodland in 1952. Next, nibble in computer terminology also called, it is called half byte. Next, which company manufactured the first microprocessor 4004? Answer is Intel Corporation. Option number D, Intel Corporation manufactured first microprocessor 4004. What is Python? Next question, what is Python? Python is a high level language. Next, Linux. What is Linux? Linux is an operating system. Next, in the context of memory size in computer, data storage, 1 gigabyte is equal to how many megabyte? Answer is option number D, 1024 MB, megabyte. Next, a hard disk is an example of which type of data storage device? Answer is option number B, secondary storage. Next, which of the following is an input device that utilizes a light sensitive detector to select object on a display screen? Answer is option number A, light pen. Light pen is used to utilize a light sensitive detector to select object on a display screen. Next, the speed of the CPU, central processing unit, is measured in hertz. which represent a CPU cycle. Next, which unit of the computer is considered as the brain of the computer? Answer is option number C, CPU. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer because it contains all the circuitry needed to process input, store data, and output results. Next, which of the following options correctly define a firewall in the context of computing? Answer is option number C. It is a combination of both software and hardware devices to permit or deny network transmission based on a set of rules. Next, which technology do third generation computers use? Answer is option number A, integrated circuit. And let's see, first generation computer uses vacuum tube. Second generation, transistor based. Third generation computer, integrator circuit based. Fourth generation computer, VLSI microprocessor based. Next, in the field of computing, what does VRML stand for? VRML stand for Virtual Reality Markup Language. Next, which function key is used for opening help? Very easy and common question. Answer is F1. For opening help, we press F1. And it is asked in CSHL 2020. Next, in the field of computing, what does VGA stand for? VGA stand for Video Graphics Array. Next, in a computer, which unit is responsible for processing data and is also called the electronics brain of the computer? Answer is option number A, CPU. Central Processing Unit is considered as the electronic brain of the computer as it consists of memory, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit ALU. The computer performs basic arithmetic logic controlling and input-output operations specified by the instructions in the program. Next, the F7 key is commonly used in Microsoft programs such as Microsoft Word, Outlook, etc. for checking spelling and grammar. What is the role of F7? F7 checks spelling and grammar. Next, in the field of computing, what does ENIAC stand for? ENIAC stand for option number A, electronic numerical integrator and computer. ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. Next, which of the following statements about firewall in the context of computing is correct? Incorrect. First, see the correct options. Option number A, it permits network transmission based on a set of rules. It is correct. Option number B, it is a combination of both software and hardware devices. It is correct. And option number C, it is frequently used to protect a computer network from unauthorized it is also correct. And option number D, which is incorrect, it is unable to permit legitimate communication to pass. Incorrect option. Next, what is the full form of PROM? Answer is option number C, programmable read only memory. PROM is programmable read only memory. It is a computer memory chip that can be programmed once after it is created. Once the PROM is programmed, the information written is permanent and it cannot be erased or deleted. Next, which function key displays the print preview window in Microsoft Office? Answer is option number C, Control plus F2. We press Control plus F2 to take the print preview before printing our work. Next, in which year did the JavaScript programming language come into existence? JavaScript programming language come into existence in 1995. Next, which of the following is a lever that can be moved in several directions to control the movement of an image on a computer monitor or similar display screen? It is joystick. Option number C, it is joystick. It is a lever-like structure. Basically, it looks like car gear. We use it for playing video games and controlling the moving object on screen, mostly in video games. Next, which of the following converts analog information into digital form? Answer is option number C, a digitizer. Digitizer is a machine that converts an analog object, image or signal into digital computer readable format, which computer reads. Next, in the context of computing, what is the full form of URL? Answer is option number C, Uniform Resource Locator. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Next, which of the following is used to receive and send computer files over telephone line? Option number A, modem. Modem is used to send or receive computer files over telephone lines. Next, which of the following is an input device used to enter motion data in computers or other electronic devices? Answer is trackball. Option number B, trackball. Next, in the context of computing, a byte is equal to how many bits? Answer is option number D, that is 8. In the context of computing, a byte is equal to 8 bits. Next question. Which of the following is a type of memory and is similar to RAM? It is used by computers to move data between the RAM and the CPU. Answer is cache memory. Cache memory is a very high speed memory. Next, which of the following is very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU? Again, the same question, cache memory. Cache memory is a very high speed memory and is used to speed up and synchronize with high speed CPU. Cache memory is used to speed up and synchronize with high speed CPU. Next, Which of the following consists of an electronic writing area and a special pen that works with it? Answer is option number D, graphics tablet. What type of device is it? It is a input device such as a stylus जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं एजुकेशन फील्ड में ड्रॉ करने के लिए डिजिटली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Dash is a small portable flash memory card that plugs into a computer's USB port and functions as a portable hard drive. Answer is option number A, that is flash drive. Flash drive is a small portable flash memory card. Next, Dash is the fastest to read from and write to than the other kind of storage in a computer, that is RAM. Answer is RAM. Next, Dash is a diagrammatic representation of a programmable logic. Answer is B, flowchart. Next, which of the following symbols must be used before a formula in a Microsoft Excel sheet? Answer is option number A, that is equal. Equal symbol must be used before a formula in a Microsoft Excel sheet. Next, what is the full form of basics in context of the basic computer language? Option number D, it is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. It is a computer programming language developed to provide a way for students to write simple computer program. Beginners for students. Next, third generation computers used. Third generation computer used IC, integrated circuit. Let's see all. That is first generation vacuum tube based, second generation transistor based, third generation integrated circuit based, and fourth generation VLSI microprocessor based, fifth generation ULSI microprocessor based. Next, Dash is the central server in computer network which lets the concerned user utilize the storage capacity of a server. What is it? It is file server. File server is the central server in computer network. Next, which of these following devices is not used to enter data into a computer? Option is mouse. Mouse is used to enter data. Scanner is also used to enter data. Keyboard is also used to enter data. These are all input device. And question is about not used to enter data, that is monitor. Monitor is used to display data. Option number D. Next, what is the shortcut key for the central alignment of a line or text in MS Office software? Answer is option number A, Control plus E. Next, which of the following is an input device of a computer? Speaker, again this is output device. Monitor is also output device. Scanner is an input device. Printer, it is an output device. So answer will be option number C, that is scanner. Next, which of the following is not a portable device? Options are iPod, laptops, desktop computers, thumb drives. Answer is option number C. Question is about device which is not portable. So answer is desktop computer. We cannot move it easily here to there. It is a fixable type of system which we used to use on desktop, table, and laptop, iPod, thumb drives we used to carry in hand and use. So next question. Transistor belong to which of the following generations of the computer? Answer is second generation. Transistor, second generation. And first generation vacuum tube, third generation IC integrated circuit, फोर्थ जनरेशन माइक्रोप्रोसेसर. जनरेशन रट ही जाना है, जनरेशन से क्वेश्चन आते हैं कंप्यूटर के एग्जाम में. एक क्वेश्चन जनरेशन से आना ही आना है, हिस्ट्री ऑफ कंप्यूटर, कंप्यूटर जनरेशंस. नेक्स्ट, which of the following is not a soft copy device? Options are plotter, projector, monitor, speaker. Not a soft copy device. That is option number A, plotter. Next, in the context of computer, WORM, worm, is an acronym of. It is an acronym of write once, read many. Worm, option number A. Next, who has developed the automatically programmable tool APT? Answer is option number B, Douglas T. Ross. APT has been developed by Douglas T. Ross. It is a program consists of instruction statement which are used to specify the path of the tool to follow for producing a given part. Next, 1 petatype, 1 PB, petabyte, equal 1024 terabyte. Next, question is, what does HLL stand for in computing? What is HLL? HLL is high level language. It is a programming language. Next, in which of the following countries was the first electronic numerical integrator and computer the first programmable general purpose electronic digital computer developed? Answer is USA, United States of America. पहला प्रोग्रामेबल जनरल पर्पस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर कहाँ डेवलप हुआ है? यूएसए में. नेक्स्ट, ट्रैक बॉल इज which of the following devices? Trackball is a input device. Trackball is a pointing input device. Next, in Microsoft Office 2016, which shortcut key is used to open the design tab? Answer is option number C, Alt plus G. In Microsoft Office 2016, Alt plus G is used to open the Design tab. Next, which type of computers is used to control air traffic and radar of national defense? It is hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is used in air traffic radar of national defense. Next, which of the following is a web browser developed by the National Center for Supercomputing Application? Answer is Mosaic. Mosaic is a web browser developed by the National Center for Supercomputing Application. Next, how many function key are present on a standard PC keyboard? Answer is 12. There are 12 function key on a standard PC keyboard. Next, which of the following pairs is not matched correctly? Control plus K, cut selected text is a wrong option. It is used to insert a hyperlink in MS Word. K is for hyperlink. Hyperlink K. And explore the other option. Alt plus E. Edit option in current program. Alt plus Shift plus D. Insert the current date. And Control plus A. It is used for select all text. Next, what has created Lisp, LISP, the programming language for artificial intelligence? Answer is option number B, John McCarthy. Lisp is a programming language for AI developed by John McCarthy. Next, a computer on the internet that uses HTTP protocol is known as web server. Next, which of the following is an extension of a temporary file? It is .tmp. And the full form of JPG is Joint Photographic Group, or Joint JPG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. And PDF is Portable Document Format. Next, which of the following is not an open source operating system? It is option number A, Windows. Next, what do you call an event where a computer becomes unresponsive due to either a program or the system itself becoming unresponsive and no longer taking input? It is called hanging. And what is booting? Booting is the process of starting a computer. Next, in the context of computers, what is Ubuntu? It is an open source operating system sponsored by Canonical Limited. Next, a file with the dash file extension is a Word Open XML. What is it? It is .docm. File with the .docm file extension is a Word Open XML macro enabled document file. Next, which of the following is the output device of a computer? Option number A, an output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment that converts information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, textile, audio, and video. Some of the input devices are monitor, printer, graphics, output device, plotter, speakers, etc. Output device is plotter. Next, a task is an ordered list in which all insertions and deletions are made at one end. That is a stack. A stack is an ordered list in which all insertions and deletions are made at one end. Next, while working in MS Office software, which of the following commands will you give on a US keyboard layout to undo the previous action? It is Control plus Z. Option number B, Control plus Z, used to undo the previous action. Next, that is the easy way to check your favorite website for updates without having to visit them all. Answer is option number B, RSS. Really simple syndication. Next, which of the following is a pointing device used to move an object on the screen of a computer in any direction? Option is joystick. Next, which type of malware is a program or piece of code that is loaded onto a person's computer without his knowledge and runs against his wishes? Answer is option number D, computer virus. Computer virus is a type of computer program. Next, which of the following language is an example of fourth generation language in computer programming? Answer is SQL. SQL is language example of fourth generation language in computer programming. Next, LCD is a basic type of monitor. What is the full form of LCD? LCD, liquid crystal display, type of a flat panel display. Next, Chad Hurley and Steve Chen are computer innovators credited with co-founding YouTube. Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Javed Karim launched YouTube in February 2005, and in October 2006. At a later time, YouTube was bought by Google for $1.65 billion. Next, in which year was Microsoft's Windows operating system first introduced? It was introduced in year 1985, 20th November. Next, which of the following is the core of an operating system? The kernel is a computer program at the core of a computer's operating system. Next, what kind of file has the extension .png? It is image file. A PNG file is an image saved in the portable network graphic format. Next, in which year was the first ever version of Microsoft Word 1.0 launched? It was launched in 1983. First Word version, Word 1.0, was released in October 1983. Next, JPEG is a commonly used method of lossy compression for digital images. What is the full form of JPEG? JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Groups. Next, which of the following is a small piece of software that uses computer networks and security holes to replicate itself? It is worm. Small piece of software. Next, which of the following operating system guarantees a response within specified time constraints? It is real-time operating system, RTOS. What is GIMP? GIMP is an application software, stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. Next, a dash is a software program that travels the web, locating and indexing websites for search engine. Travels the web. It is spider. A search engine spider, also known as web crawler. Next, which of the following is the full form of ASCII? Full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next, a dash is a finite set of instructions which, when followed, accomplished a particular task. Algorithm. An algorithm is a finite set of instructions which, when followed, accomplish a particular task. A dash is a computer program that can self-replicate and propagate over the network with or without human intervention and has malicious intent. It is worm. Next, a user interface is the part of dash that allows the user to enter and receive information. Answer is operating system. A user interface is a part of operating system that allows the user to enter and receive information. Which of the following is an input device? Options are speaker, projector, scanner, monitor. Answer is scanner. Input device, scanner. Next, a topology for a local area network in which all nodes are individually connected to a central connection point like hub or switch is called star topology. For local area, star topology. Next, dash is the process of turning on a computer and powering up the system. It is booting. Booting is the process of turning on a computer and powering up the system. Next, what do you call a key on a computer keyboard that is used to move the pointer cursor around on the screen? It is navigation key. Next, which of the following keyboard shortcuts will you press in order to minimize all program on a computer screen and display the desktop? Answer is Windows plus D is used to minimize all programs on a computer screen and display the desktop. Next, Coral Draw is an example of an desktop publishing software. Draw is a example of desktop publishing software. CorelDRAW. Next, which of the following is the full form of EBCDIC? EBCDIC full form is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Next, which of the following devices accepts the result produced by the computer in a machine readable form? Answer is printer. Next, which of the following is one of the file formats used for web graphics? That is GIF. Next, which of the following is a single user operating system? Answer is MS-DOS. MS-DOS is a single user operating system. Next, how many terabytes are in a petabyte? Answer is 1024. 1024 terabyte is in a 1 petabyte. Next, which type of storage device is a hard disk? It is secondary storage standard in a modern computing. Next, what is the use of the functional key F7 in Microsoft Word 2010? Answer is to run spell check and grammar check. Next, which of the following file formats does MS Paint use to open and save files in Windows? Answer is .jpeg. Next, which of the following is a computer application software? It is word processor. Word processor is a computer application software. Next, which keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Excel 2016 should you use to insert a new worksheet for Windows 10 operating system? Answer is Shift plus F12. Next, which of the following was the first operating system written in C language? Answer is Unix. Unix is a first operating system written in C language. Next, which of the following is a primary storage device in personal computer? Answer is random access memory. Next, which one of the following is a computer virus? Answer is option number D, Creeper. Creeper is a virus, first computer virus ever developed by Bob in 1971. Next, second generation computers were made of, it is made up of transistors. Next, a message that tries to trick a person into providing information such as his social security number, bank account information, or login username and password for a website is a type of malware called phishing. सिंपल फंसाने का काम फिशिंग. Which of the following types of computer is used to in climate research and weather forecasting? Answer is supercomputers. Climate research and weather forecasting, supercomputer. Next, which are the following keys will you press in Windows 10 to turn the volume up? Answer is F8 key. F8 key is pressed to turn the volume up in Windows 10. And also F9 is pressed to turn the volume 10. F8 to turn the volume up and F9 to turn the volume down. Next, on a computer keyboard, the Shift and Alt keys are example of modifier keys. Shift and Alt are example of modifier keys. Next, which of the following is the slowest type of internet connection? It is dial-up. Next, the dash is a 3 or 4 letter abbreviation that signifies the file type. Answer is extension. Extension is 3 or 4 letter abbreviation that signifies the file type. Next, which of the following ports is used to connect a computer to a wired network? Answer is Ethernet port. Ethernet port is used to connect computer to wired network. Next, where in a computer would you use a joystick for computer games and assistive technology? Answer is cursor control. Next, which of the following is a part of the central processing unit of a computer? Answer is option number C, memory registers. Next, which of the following is an open source operating system? Answer is option number C, Android. Next, which of the following is an input device used to verify the legitimacy or originality of paper documents, especially checks? Answer is MICR, option number D, magnetic ink character recognition. We use it for verifying check documents. Next, what is the other name for transistor computer? Answer is second generation computer. Next, who created Fortran, the first high level computer programming language? Answer is John Backus. Next, which of the following is a method of describing computer algorithms using a combination of natural language and programming language? Answer is option number B, pseudocode. Pseudocode is a method of describing computer algorithm using a combination of natural language and programming language. Next, what is an interpreted high level and general purpose programming language? It is Python. Python is an interpreted high level and general purpose programming language. Next, what contains and manages all the programs and applications that a computer or other device is able to run? Answer is operating system. Next, what is the keyboard shortcut to add a new row above a given row in Microsoft Excel? Answer is Alt plus I plus R. Next, which of the following is not an example of an optical device? Optical disc. It is PROM. It is not an optical disc. Next, a device or program that enables a computer to transmit data over telephone or cable lines is called, it is called modem. Next, in the field of information and communication technology, what is the full form of EEPROM? It is electrically erasable programmable read only memory. Next, it is a type of non-volatile memory. In the context of cloud computing, what is the full form of PaaS? PAAS. Answer is platform as a service. Next, in the context of IT services, what is the full form of BCP? Answer is option number A, business continuity planning. Next, the full form INTACH, INTACH, is the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. ये हम लोग का रिवीजन सीरीज कंप्यूटर खत्म हुआ और हम लोग स्टैटिक्स क्वेश्चन कवर कर रहे हैं. The book Gulamgiri, written by whom? It was written by Jyotiba Phule. And who is Jyotiba Phule? He was a social reformer from Maharashtra. And his wife Savitribai Phule was also a known personality. She was known as a pioneer of women in education in India, Savitribai Phule. And his work, Satyasodhak Samaj, which was established in Pune. Satyasodhak Samaj, established in Pune, 1873. And his book Gulamgiri was inspired by whom? It was inspired by Thomas Paine book The Right of Men, The Rights of Men. द राइट्स ऑफ मैन बुक भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, पूछा गया है स्टेट पीसीएस में. नेक्स्ट, द कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस इन इंडिया इज दरास. इट इज नोन एज द गेटवे टू लद्दाख and second coldest place of world, Daras. Next, IMPS. IMPS, what is IMPS? It is immediate payment service. Next, which sport is related to the Caesar Cup football? Caesar Cup is related to football. और भी इंपॉर्टेंट कप और ट्रॉफी फुटबॉल का देखते हैं हम लोग. बंडोत्कर ट्रॉफी, नेक्स्ट चक्रा ट्रॉफी, नेक्स्ट इज कोलंबो ट्रॉफी, डीसीएम ट्रॉफी, डॉक्टर विधान चंद्र राय ट्रॉफी, डुरंड कप, एफए कप, यूरोपियन चैंपियंस कप, एफए शील्ड, फेडरेशन कप, फीफा वर्ल्ड कप, जीवी राजा मेमोरियल ट्रॉफी. Next question is, Otam Thullal dance is related to which state? Otamthullal is related to Kerala. Next, Panchvati is located in which state of Madhya Pradesh? Panchvati is located in Madhya Pradesh. Otamthullal is related to Kerala. Next, what year was Google founded? It was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Next, who is the author of the book Kamyani? Kamyani was written by Jayasankar Prasad. कामयानी किसकी रचना है? जयशंकर प्रसाद की. नेक्स्ट, इन विच स्टेट इज रानीज वाव लोकेटेड? रानी की वाव कहाँ पर स्थित है? गुजरात में. नेक्स्ट, भूपेन हजारिका ब्रिज कौन कौन से राज्यों को जोड़ता है? भूपेन हजारिका ब्रिज जोड़ता है असम को और अरुणाचल प्रदेश को. नेक्स्ट, पान सिंह तोमर is related to which sport? लॉन्ग हॉर्स रेसिंग. पान सिंह तोमर किससे संबंधित थे? रेसिंग से, एथलीट थे ये. नेक्स्ट, वेयर इज द्वारकाधीश टेम्पल लोकेटेड? द्वारकाधीश टेम्पल कहाँ स्थित है? द्वारकाधीश टेम्पल गुजरात में. नेक्स्ट, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया? यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? मुंबई में है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रैम? रैम का फुल फॉर्म रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. नेक्स्ट, विच कलर साड़ी इज वोन इन मोहिनी अट्टम? मोहिनी अट्टम में कौन से रंग की साड़ी पहनी जाती है? सफेद, व्हाइट. नेक्स्ट, बेलगाम सिटी इज इन which state of India? Belgaum is in Karnataka. Next, where is the Sun Festival celebrated? Thiruvananthapuram. Next, in which state is Mundra Power located? मुंद्रा पावर कहाँ स्थित है? गुजरात में. नेक्स्ट, वेयर इज द नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन लोकेटेड? नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन कहाँ है? हैदराबाद. नेक्स्ट, विच इज द लार्जेस्ट सॉल्ट वाटर लेक ऑफ इंडिया? इट इज सांभर लेक. सबसे बड़ा खारे पानी का झील सांभर लेक. नेक्स्ट, लाठी lying to me will prove to be the last nail on the coffin of British rule in India. Whose sentence is? मेरे सर पर लाठी का प्रहार अंग्रेजों के कब्र की कील बनेंगे. किसका कहना था? लाला लाजपत राय का. Next, the national flag of India was designed by राष्ट्रीय झंडा तिरंगा को डिजाइन किसने किया था? पिंगली वेंकैया ने. नेक्स्ट, इन विच स्टेट इज द वैली ऑफ फ्लावर लोकेटेड? फूलों की घाटी किस राज्य में है? उत्तराखंड में. नेक्स्ट, इन विच स्टेट इज द सष्टम कोटा लोकेटेड? सष्टम कोटा कहाँ है? केरला में. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक in 1937? Founder of the Indian Overseas Bank by Muthiah Chidambaram. When? In 1937. Next, in which state is the Indira Sagar Dam located? इंदिरा सागर डैम कहाँ है? मध्य प्रदेश में. नेक्स्ट, What is the full name of BCP? BCP, Business Continuity Plan. In which state is the Vishnu idol located? In temple of Tamil Nadu. कौन से राज्य के मंदिर में भगवान विष्णु की मूर्ति स्थापित है? तमिलनाडु में। मंदिर का नाम कोठंडरम स्वामी। कोठंडरम स्वामी। नेक्स्ट, वेलोड्रोम स्पोर्ट इज रिलेटेड टू। वेलोड्रोम शब्द किस खेल से संबंधित है? साइकिल से, साइकिलिंग से। साइकिलिंग हम लोग करते हैं किस पे? वेलोड्रोम पे। नेक्स्ट, गहिर माता सेंचुरी विच इज लोकेटेड इन ओडिशा इज फेमस फॉर। गहिर माता किस जीव के लिए फेमस है? टर्टल के लिए, कछुआ के लिए। इन विच स्टेट इज द चमेरा हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड? चमेरा हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ है? हिमाचल प्रदेश में। नेक्स्ट, इन विच स्टेट इज वेमनाड लेक? वेमनाड लेक कहाँ स्थित है? केरला में। अब हो गया है केरलम। नेक्स्ट, पोलावरम irrigation project is situated on which river? गोदावरी रिवर। पोलावरम इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ है? गोदावरी रिवर पर। नेक्स्ट, हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री अवार्ड इज परमवीर चक्र। हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री अवार्ड क्या है? परमवीर चक्र है। परमवीर चक्र का स्थापना 26 जनवरी 1950, 26 जनवरी 1950 स्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ परमवीर चक्र। फर्स्ट रिसिपिएंट किनको मिला था सबसे पहला परमवीर चक्र? मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा को। यह मरणोपरांत दिया जाता है युद्ध में वीरता के लिए, शौर्य के लिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट इज द गोटीपुआ फोल्क डांस एसोसिएटेड विद? गोटीपुआ डांस कौन से राज्य का है? गोटीपुआ है ओडिशा का। गोटीपुआ का ओडिशा का और कौन कौन सा फेमस डांस है देखते हैं। ओडिशा के डांस ओडिसी, सवड़ी, घूमर, पैनका, मुनारी, छऊ, छाड्या, दंडांता, बाघ नाच, कर्मा, गोटीपुआ, दाल खाई। नेक्स्ट, कोलेरू झील किस राज्य में स्थित है? कोलेरू झील आंध्र प्रदेश में। नेक्स्ट, इन विच स्टेट हैज द हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी एज पर सेंसस 2011? सर्वाधिक जनसंख्या घनत्व 2011 के जनगणना के अनुसार बिहार राज्य। नेक्स्ट, चिकन करी एम्ब्रॉयडरी बिलोंग्स टू विच स्टेट? विच सिटी? चिकन करी एम्ब्रॉयडरी कहाँ का है? लखनऊ का, उत्तर प्रदेश। नेक्स्ट वन इज, और इसको कब मिला जीआई टैग चिकन करी को? 2008 में। 2008 में। नेक्स्ट, इंडिया फर्स्ट हेल्थ मिनिस्टर कौन थी? भारत की इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया की पहली स्वास्थ्य मंत्री राजकुमारी अमृता कौर, जो कि गांधी जी की पर्सनल डॉक्टर भी थी। नेक्स्ट, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक प्लेइंग इट माई वे? प्लेइंग इट माई वे के लेखक कौन है? सचिन तेंदुलकर। और भी जो इम्पोर्टेंट पुस्तक है खिलाड़ियों के, देखते हैं हम लोग। सचिन तेंदुलकर, प्लेइंग इट माई वे, कपिल देव, स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट, मैरी कॉम, अनब्रेकेबल, मिल्खा सिंह, द रेस ऑफ माई लाइफ, पीटी उषा, गोल्डन गर्ल, साइना नेहवाल, प्लेइंग टू विन, युवराज सिंह, द टेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ, सानिया मिर्जा, एस अगेंस्ट ऑड्स, सुनील गावस्कर, सनी डेज, मुहम्मद अली, द ग्रेटेस्ट, माई ओन स्टोरी, रिकी पॉन्टिंग, एट द क्लोज ऑफ प्ले, सेन वॉन, नो बिन, VBS लक्ष्मण, 281 एंड बियॉन्ड, शाहिद अफरीदी, गेम चेंजर, अभिनव बिंद्रा, अ शॉट एट हिस्ट्री, विश्वनाथ आनंद, माइंड मास्टर, विन, विनिंग लेसन फ्रॉम चैंपियंस लाइफ। नेक्स्ट, PV सिंधु, settling to the top, the story of PV Sindhu, Saurav Ganguly, a century is not enough, Ravi Shastri, stargazing, the player in my life, Mithali Raj, unguarded, an autobiography, Bide, Anil Kumble. नेक्स्ट, कालिदास wrote the book, कौन सा पुस्तक लिखे हैं कालिदास? मालविकाग्नि मित्रम। और भी क्या क्या फेमस पुस्तक है कालिदास द्वारा, देखते हैं हम लोग। रघुवंशम, ऋतु संभारा, कुमार संभारम और मालविकाग्नि मित्रम। कालिदास का फेमस टाइटल क्या क्या था? प्रिंस ऑफ इंडियन पोएट, इंडियन शेक्सपियर, और कौन थे ये? तो ये चंद्रगुप्त द्वितीय के दरबार के 9 रत्नों में से एक रत्न थे। अगला प्रश्न, हर्षवर्धन के कोर्ट में कौन आया था? हेनसांग, जुआनजांग हेनसांग एक ही है। नेक्स्ट, वेयर इज स्वामी विवेकानंद एयरपोर्ट लोकेटेड? स्वामी विवेकानंद एयरपोर्ट कहाँ है? रायपुर में। नेक्स्ट, वेयर इज which year Albert Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics? एल्बर्ट स्टाइन को नोबेल प्राइज फिजिक्स का कब दिया गया है? 1921 में। 1921 में। अगला क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट डज संझी आर्ट किस राज्य का है? उत्तर प्रदेश का। उत्तर प्रदेश मथुरा वृंदावन का है ये संझी कला। नेक्स्ट, श्रीरंगपत्तनम फोर्ट इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? श्रीरंगपत्तनम फोर्ट कहाँ है? कर्नाटका में। नेक्स्ट, इन विच स्टेट इज द दिलवारा टेम्पल लोकेटेड? दिलवारा जैन टेम्पल है, कहाँ है? राजस्थान में। नेक्स्ट, हर वेव which is Japanese word is known by which name in India? हर्वर वेव को हम लोग किस नाम से जानते हैं भारत में? सुनामी के नाम से। अगला प्रश्न, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक पॉवर्टी एंड अनब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया? पॉवर्टी एंड अनब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया, दादा भाई नेहरू, जिनको कि ग्रैंड ओल्ड मैन ऑफ इंडिया के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। नेक्स्ट, इन विच स्टेट इज द मोरगांव पोर्ट लोकेटेड? मोरगांव पोर्ट किस राज्य में है? गोवा में। अगला प्रश्न, हु इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ सुपर कंप्यूटर? सीमोर। फादर ऑफ सुपर कंप्यूटर कौन है? सीमोर है। अगला प्रश्न, जादू घोड़ा कहाँ स्थित है? झारखंड में। किस चीज के लिए फेमस है? यूरेनियम के लिए। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ पीडीएफ? पीडीएफ का फुल फॉर्म पोर्टेबल डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट। नेक्स्ट, कामाख्या टेम्पल इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? कामाख्या मंदिर किस राज्य में है? असम में। और किसके लिए फेमस है? अंबुबाची का मेला। नेक्स्ट, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ब्यूरो वेट एंड मेजर्स लोकेटेड? कहाँ स्थित है? फ्रांस में। अगला प्रश्न और आखिरी प्रश्न, भारत का पहला राज्य जूट उत्पादन में? वेस्ट बंगाल। पहला भी है और सर्वाधिक भी है। और भारत विश्व में सर्वाधिक है जूट उत्पादन में, लगभग 50 से 60% भारत विश्व का अकेला हिस्सेदारी रखता है। कब हुआ था स्थापना नेशनल जूट बोर्ड का? नेशनल जूट बोर्ड कोलकाता में 12 सितंबर 2010 को।